In the tranquil enclave of Nova Lima, MG, nestled amidst nature's embrace, stands a testament to architectural finesse and contemporary design, the concrete house. This residential marvel is not just a dwelling, it's a harmonious fusion of simplicity, functionality, and aesthetic allure. As one approaches the concrete house, its distinct architectural language becomes apparent. Here, concrete isn't just a building material, it's an integral part of the design ethos. The house stands as a bold statement, characterized by clean lines and minimalist aesthetics. Yet, amidst its simplicity, there's an unmistakable sense of elegance. Upon stepping inside, one is greeted by an ambience of serenity and sophistication. The ground floor serves as a hub for leisure and relaxation, featuring a cozy TV room and an expansive outdoor living area. Here, residents can unwind amidst the verdant surroundings or take a refreshing dip in the crystalline blue waters of the pool, seamlessly integrated with the porcelain flooring. However, the true essence of the concrete house unfolds on the second floor, accessed via a grand staircase in the entrance hall. Here lies the heart of the home, a seamless integration of dining, living, and private spaces. Every corner is meticulously designed to maximize natural light and capture the panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Nestled between the rooms is a captivating central patio, adorned with a majestic Jabuticaba tree. Here, amidst the soothing ambience, niches carved into the walls serve as herb gardens, infusing the space with fragrant aromas. It's a tranquil oasis, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Privacy is paramount in the concrete house, achieved through thoughtful design elements. A concrete wall separates the intimate quarters from the rest of the home, ensuring tranquility and seclusion. Yet, this privacy doesn't come at the cost of breathtaking views. The master suite, in particular, opens onto a vista of unparalleled beauty, inviting residents to wake up to the sight of rolling mountains and azure skies. One of the most captivating features of the concrete house is its play of light and transparency. Retaining perforations in the concrete walls allows natural light to filter in, casting mesmerizing patterns across the interiors. Meanwhile, the glass enclosures seamlessly merge the indoors with the outdoors, offering glimpses of the majestic mountains from every corner of the home. In essence, the concrete house isn't just a structure, it's a testament to the symbiotic relationship between design and nature. Here, concrete and glass harmonize with the natural landscape, creating a living space that's both functional and enchanting. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every detail evokes a sense of wonder. Indeed, the concrete house stands as a timeless masterpiece, where elegance meets functionality in perfect harmony.